provide gloves. We actually have two types of gloves. We've got the leather gloves and we've got the soft fabric gloves with the neoprene coating on them. And you guys are welcome to wear your own gloves, but you have to wear gloves if you're out there working. Same thing with safety glasses. We're going to provide you guys with safety glasses that are ANSI rated. You know, they're up to standard. They're not going to shatter on you. They'll keep you safe. If you want to wear something else, just make sure that it's rated to the ANSI standards. I think it's the Z27 standard. You can check on the side of ours. It actually says it right there on the side. In fact, here, I got a pair over here. I'll show you. But also, the hand, excuse me, hearing protection. You know, we just provide you guys with the cheapo earplugs, but earplugs do the trick, man. They work pretty good as long as you know how to use them. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick. This is the ANSI standard here. You can see on the inside left that it's Z94.3. It's the ANSI Z94.3 standard. Just comes on our safety glasses. These come in shaded and clear, so you know when it gets dark out or if you're in a spot where you can't see, you know, we got clear ones, but also I know it's sunny out most of the time, so we typically have shaded ones. Half the time we even have tinted ones. So look around, check them out, ask if you can't find what you want, and provide your own if you want. We're not requiring you to wear what we have, but you have to wear safety glasses, you have to wear gloves, and you have to wear ear protection. It's just important to protect yourselves out there. You know, that's our policy. As far as putting in those earplugs, what you're gonna wanna do is pinch that earplug and roll it up nice and thin, and then stick it in there as far as you can get it, and then let it expand out into that ear, right? And that's how you're gonna get your earplugs in correctly and get maximum protection on those earplugs. So anyways, that's the eye protection, hearing protection, and glove policy.